Hello, it's Lone Wolf here from Wolf Territories Grid, and I'm here at the Community Hub, and I'm going to show you the sign. Talking about our new Mastodon social network, which is not in world, it's actually outside world. However, I can actually use an API to connect to it, but that's another story. So you will be able to eventually use a HUD or something to post things from in world. That's in my head, and that's as far as that's got. Anyway, so what is a Mastodon social network? Well, basically, Mastodon is a huge network of small social networks specifically designed for a particular, interest or topic. And there are some general ones that are very big, and there are some smaller ones like ours. So I'm going to just pop you over there. So we're going to go to OpenSimSocial.com, and this is our Mastodon social network. Okay, so it's basically for anybody who's using OpenSim, who's developing OpenSim, who perhaps likes going to events, because there's lots of things being posted on here. As you can see, some really nice graphics. And for those of you who follow my object storage rantings, all the images on this Mastodon server are actually posted onto my object storage, and that's where they stay. So, which is quite a neat thing. So the thing about Mastodon is that the servers are all connected together, so you can actually have an account on my Mastodon server at opensimsocial.com, and then you can go ahead and subscribe to things on other Mastodon servers. Now, I'm just going to show you some of the things you can do. You can get mobile apps for it, and there's you can just search for Mastodon mobile apps. There's actually quite a good range of different ones to choose from, quite a lot. It's been around quite a long time, and there was a real exodus to it when Mr. Musk took over a certain other social network. There was a real exodus, and millions of people just went on to Mastodon. So let's look in the edit profile. I want to show you some of the things you can do. So I've got suggest account featured hashtags. You can add hashtags. These are deployed permanently on public profile and allow people to browse your public posts specifically under those hashtags. So you can see I set one up for events. So people can hit events on mine and see any hashtags using events. So hashtags are quite important. You can choose all kinds of things about appearance and the way things are shown or not shown. Now I want to show you the advanced web interface. So if you click that and hit save change, you see it completely changes and uses the whole of my screen. So if I go back to Mastodon, it looks more like that advanced Twitter thing, but then you can do explore, hashtags, news, for you. There's all kinds of things going on there. Obviously this is a very new server, so this isn't populated yet, but in the next 24 hours that will be populated with all kinds of things. So I can search here, so you can see I can use it domain.com. so in this case my user at domain.com is here, Lone Wolf at opensimsocial.com. So when you sign up, you get that free OpenSim at social.com. You can look for user URLs and status. We can flip back to normal just by going to settings again and going to turn off advanced. I prefer it to be normal web interface. Actually, I'm a bit funny like that. There's lots of other little optionaroonies you can change. Filters. Oh, that's just to stop people getting. We can generate invite links. We can do create applications. There's trends. This will all fill up very quickly as we get more users. So it's a free account, opensimsocial.com. There's no advertising, to block up what you're looking at. It's just lots of pictures, lots of things going on. Hope that's helpful. opensimsocial.com, and of course the grid is grid.wolfterritories.org.